Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will discuss about AWS Code Commit feature. So AWS Code Commit feature is Amazon version control system. Just like we use Git, Bitbucket, GitLab. Similarly, like it is one of the AWS services that provides more features. It's a fully managed service and it provides all the features for version control. So we'll discuss what all things are done by AWS Code Commit. As the name implies that it is used to for code deployment, code versioning, everything. So friends, if you are coming first time on my channel, please click on subscribe button to so that you get important updates whenever a new video is uploaded on the channel. So Code Commit, again, it's just like Azure has their own repository where like Azure repository where we can store the code. So instead of using, we can definitely use GitHub, GitLab, Bitbucket, and this can be connected with this. But it is the fully managed service of Amazon. Code Commit is a service that is highly secure, highly scalable, and manage source control that hosts private Git repository. If you want to store all your code in a secure environment, so Amazon Code Commit provides you this facility. Again, all these facilities are already provided by other platforms also like Bitbucket, GitLab. The other thing is like, since it is a managed service, so it eliminates the need for you to manage your source control system. So main thing that is provided by Code Commit is that it is a version control. All the features of GitHub or Bitbucket is there. You can store code of binaries. It supports standard functionality. Again, the same commands that you have been using for Git, they are all applicable in Code Commit. So there is nothing new learning if you're going for Code Commit. If you're familiar with Bitbucket, if you're familiar with GitLab, if you're familiar with GitHub, you can easily use this Code Commit feature. And again, it is highly scalable. Plus, since it is a managed service, so most of the things are taken care by Amazon itself. So you can store your, these are some benefits of Code Commit. Again, it can store your repository in encrypted at rest also, as well as in transit. Again, the main purpose of Code Commit is so that people can work collaboratively. So people can collaborate, they can push the code, they can pull the code, they will have different branches. They can do all the merging, pull requests. So all those things are done. You can also scale to meet your development needs. So you can increase repositories. So in terms of space and everything you can do. And the main feature is like you can store anything anytime. So it is one of the feature through which it is a version control system through which you can manage all your code. You will have different branches, you have different commits. So everything you can do using AWS Code Commit. So AWS Code Commit provides the full features of version control. So friends, this is all about AWS Code Commit feature. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.